What is the Registration Convention in astronaut space law? Have you ever wondered how countries keep track of all the objects they send into space? The answer lies in an important agreement known as the Registration Convention. This international treaty plays a key role in space law and helps maintain order in the cosmos. So, what exactly does the Registration Convention entail? It requires countries, referred to as launching states, to officially register every space object they launch into Earth orbit or beyond. This means that whenever a country sends something into space, it must record that object in a national registry. Additionally, the launching state must inform the United Nations Secretary-General about this registry and provide details about each space object launched. Let's break down some key terms. A launching state is any country that launches or arranges the launch of a space object or from whose territory or facility the launch occurs. A space object includes the entire object launched, its components, and its launch vehicle. The state of registry is the launching state that officially records the space object in its registry. When a space object is launched, the launching state must enter it into its registry. If multiple states are involved in launching a single space object, they must decide together which state will take on the registration. This registry information is then communicated to the United Nations to maintain a global record. The state of registry retains jurisdiction and control over the space object. This means it has legal authority over the object while it is in space. It's important to note that this jurisdiction is separate from ownership. A state may control the object without necessarily owning it. Only the state of registry can enforce laws or take actions involving the space object. The Registration Convention builds on the Outer Space Treaty, which sets broad principles for space activities. It complements other agreements like the Rescue Agreement, which covers the rescue and return of astronauts and space objects, and the Liability Convention, which addresses damage caused by space objects. From the perspective of astronauts and space missions, the Registration Convention contributes to transparency and accountability for all objects launched into space. This clarity is essential for safe operations, as it identifies who is responsible for each space object. This is particularly important for avoiding collisions and managing space traffic. Understanding the Registration Convention is also vital for astronaut training and mission planning. It helps ensure that space missions comply with international law, which contributes to the safety and coordination of activities in orbit and beyond. By grasping these legal frameworks, astronauts can better navigate the complexities of space missions.